Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cream cake. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Prepare your cake pans by lightly greasing and flouring them, or line them with parchment paper for easy removal. This preparation ensures a smooth baking process and perfect results. Now let's mix the batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients like flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. In another bowl, cream together softened butter and granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Gradually beat in the eggs one at a time, then alternate adding the dry ingredients and milk until just combined.
If you're enjoying this easy cream cake recipe, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious content. On another note, keeping your kitchen clean while baking is a breeze with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once your batter is ready, pour it evenly into your prepared cake pans. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. This ensures your cake is perfectly cooked through. After baking, let the cakes cool in their pans for about 10 minutes before carefully inverting them onto a wire rack to cool completely. Now for the star of the show, the cream frosting. In a large bowl, beat softened unsalted butter until creamy. Gradually add powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time until fully incorporated. Then, pour in heavy cream and a dash of vanilla extract. Beat the mixture on high speed until it becomes light, fluffy, and perfectly spreadable for your cake.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.